But little did Officer White know, Officer White had no idea what surprise awaited him when he showed up for work this morning. The officer had previously gone viral online after responding to a noise complaint by playing basketball.
You guys play out here every day? Yeah. I might bring some backup. You gonna be out here tomorrow?
And the rematch was about to begin. But little did Officer White know that his backup would include one of the greatest NBA centers of all time. And the game was on. With Shaq and the police officers teamed up against the kids from the neighborhood. And with all the commotion, the neighbor who called in the first noise complaint didn't seem interested in calling in another.